thought I'd just show you where we're up to with the kitchen. They're coming this morning. I'll be at work all day, and when I come home I'll film a little bit more. So I'll just film the empty shell ready. So come with me and we'll have... So we've emptied well, I haven't, my husband's emptied everything out the kitchen, ready for the new cabinets to go in. So it'll take, I don't know how long, but we're putting it all together over the next few days anyway. So this is the blank canvas now, and we've just got it all ready. So we've got the stonemason coming next, or sometime I think this week, just to measure out the middle part. And yeah, it's looking really good. It's all prepped and ready to go. But while I'm here, I'll show you my new floor in the other room as well. So we're getting all the flooring next week, and the floor, my husband's done all the tiling for this floor here. So we've ripped up the old tiles. Like I said, he's done it all, not me. I'll just show you. This is a lovely floor, really like it. It's actually a bit dusty at the moment. Yeah, so that's what it's going to be like. And then we're going to get the nice new wooden floor, so it'll flow all the way through there. But it's a really lovely floor. So this is another blank canvas ready for next week. So we're all over the place. It's very echoey in here. Okay, so this is yeah, the next chapter. So yeah, I will get my nice new area soon. All right, okay, so it's the end of the day and the cabinets are being put in, and yeah, it's going to look totally different. Look how many cabinets I've got, or cupboards rather. My coffee bar, that's the coffee bar, my big cupboard. It's just so nice. Look at all this. Wow, it's going to look so nice. Yeah, is this my bench? This is the bench in the middle. Wow, okay. So it's day 2 and we have got some installation happening and we're in a progress. So I just thought I'd give you an update on what this kitchen's going to look like. And got the temporary kitchen stove put back in, the stove back in. Got the new one to go in there at some stage. Got the stonemason coming today to look at this and measure all this up. And we just put the sink in temporary, and it's going to look terrific. All right, I'll give you an update later. Today I'm just going to give you a little update on the kitchen. It's making progress. It's looking so nice. It's almost functionable for the time being. I think we've got about another 3 weeks to go on it, but it's really nice. I can't wait to show it to you. So I'm just going to show you a little bit of what we're up to so far. So here we are from this angle as well. You can see the size of the kitchen that's going to be. I'll have to move all this table back over here because that island is really quite big that we're going to get. Yeah, and then also, like I said, we've got a door that's going to go into that hallway there. And I've already showed you the tiles on the floor that we've done for the front doorway. So, yep, loving the door, loving the French doors. That's come up really well, and yes, it's looking good. This is the new sink. Love that thing. Again, every door needs to be put on. It's just temporary for now. But as you can see, we've just stored everything wherever we can. Everything is all over the place, but in organised order. So it's taken most of the day to do all that. We've got all the stuff stored up here for now. Here, we've got rid of the shelving over there because we're having all the flooring done, so we need to get all the furniture out. So all that in that room over there needs to come out. And what else? That's what it looks like from that side. I've just put a couple of plants up just to add a bit of a feminine touch to the place. But that's how it looks now. Of course, when it's done, it's going to look magnificent.